Kadon Bosco English School Umden kabadai kawai na ki school mission kabala peniaj da kabalang Katolik Umden kabadon hapok kalum sinai parish Umden. Menta kesengi kala Pynhap Pyrda ya ke Anual School Meet arjar arpau kabagila penlong berok sitayau hakane katayau. Lembah kejing penlong ya kene ke sport meet ki kena jong kene ke school kila sim benta haki jing ile kai baper ki balabu bat peniaj da kene ke school. Ya kene ke sport meet la penlong hapok kemadan football jong ke Umden Playground Committee Umden. Hakane ke sengi penkut lawan saki dau MLA kanong po constituency uba Emerald Bons im kum ukongsan nang ta uba pi marbenyang ubade district sport officer jong ribo district kum sungbut kongsan nang ta ufada Peters imli ubade parish priest jong galum sinai parish Umden isistar Dr. Prabha isistar Renat ibade principal jong ke school ki sister ki panar jong ke parish rengkat ki rupajba jong ke nekathan watla kaladon kejing pentut na ki bor kemariang da kejing hap jong uslap Henry lala ban pendep ya baro ke program jong kene kesengi.
Thank you so much for inviting me today for this final of this annual sports meet of Don Bosco English School. We have Sister Dr. Prabha, Sister Mercilet, all the sister who are present here. Kirurang Pak, Kibilan Rengkat Bangi, Pak SD Motong, Pak Bestokan Timung, Pak Hilarius Timung, Pak Pisim, Pak Benil, ki orang Pak kat ki balak bani adan hang ni, ki no hikai ki bai ki jongi, kat ki balak midon saudong jong ne kamadan, ki perlok na ki elektronik bat ki printed media, bat khamtam ki student ki khana school, lembat ki kimi ki pa ki badon saudong jong ne kamadan. Nganam sim sibun ke por maru ke beneng ke mailat, uslap ulahap ki khana school ki lap peja. Yo ki yo pang mlong te ngasusim tak ne kabu ban ai khoble ya baro nak banta kene ka sports meet ke jong phi gila ya kendu bagi lai i ya ki program befer ki ba internet ya ki bala de ban pen i da ki khna school ki ba I am very happy to see the talent which has been performed by our lovely students. The mass drill, dance, the march past that has been performed, it is well up to the mark. It is beyond expected. I didn't expect that the student of Don Bosco School, they will perform to such a level, to such a standard. I am overwhelmed and I hope that you can strive forward, you can bring laurel to your school, to this area. And as the whole ngas ngoban ai kublai kerpang ya ki kimi ki kpa ki bran rengkat ha kene ke por ki balai mensim ya ki khun ki jong phi ki hap ki berit banwan bani sim benta kane ke dei om tang ba ki wan ni sim benta ki khun ki jong phi henrei hi sim benta ma phi ki kimi ki kpa ro kumju ha kene ke por is ngoban ai kublai kerpang ya baro gitu ki balai don rengkat ha kene ke por badru ngi I ya ka mensim I trelang ke jong phi bat ngi skem bagane kejing ya simbenta jogi khun gi jong phi phinangla banang yo mensim ki khun gi jong phi om tang bagen le bha ha ka pule ka puthi kin le bha ki exam gi jong phi nrei kin dangla ban peni lagi jong ki sap ki phong gi jong ki ha ka bede ba kami le kai sports namar kata ku mengitip ka district ke jongi ka baju penmi ya kinong ile kai sports ban ngi scam bagi kena school jong ka Don Bosco nang ni ka Saint Joseph ki school ki pramarjan ki berenang ni pinangla ban penmi ye ki athletes ki footballer ki player basketball badminton ki wi de ki jengle kai ha ki por ki banwan tengi congratulate ki house ki job ha ki match pass ki house ki job ha ka sports ki don south league ki house ka blue house green house ka red house but yellow house we wish all the best nam ta ki ti belayo ki medals Sedon ki baklem yo ru iki prize wat nom sngoper sale baha ka wi pat ka snem nga bangi kitbok kuryang ba pinangla banang le baha aki snem ki banwan kanam sim sibun ka por kubli sibun kubli sia jarngu may the best team win and may the best athletes win kubli sibun thank you so much.